To other news, the government of Jamaica has sent its clearest message yet on how it intends to treat with the Akongpong Maroons under their new leader, Colonel Richard Curry. Prime Minister Andrew Holness addressed the matter Sunday. More in this report from Cody and Barrett.
The status of the Akongpong Maroon village in St. Elizabeth has become the subject of intense debate, especially since Colonel Richard Curry was elected leader of the group some 11 months ago. So is the community sovereign or not? The matter was put to Prime Minister Andrew Holness at a media briefing Sunday.
Jamaica is a unitary, sovereign state. There is no other sovereign authority in Jamaica other than the government of Jamaica. I want that to be absolutely clear. None. And under my leadership, not 1 inch of Jamaica will come under any other sovereign authority.
Professor of Political and Social Psychology in the Department of Government at the University of the West Indies, Christopher Charles, added his voice to the standoff between the Maroons and the government. Professor Charles says even if the Maroons were to be recognized as a sovereign state, it could do more harm than good. He has also rubbished the claim that Akongpong is a state within Jamaica.
So yes, they are indigenous, but I think Jamaica and the government have respected them and so on, and we have largely left them to be by themselves. But the Jamaican law supersedes any treaty that they had with the British. It's a collective delusion.
The Jamaican government also issued a directive to all ministries, departments and agencies prohibiting the allocation of funds to any area that has declared itself sovereign. Prime Minister Holness says he will not take taxpayers' money and grant a fund to another so-called government. He cited the potential for violent conflict in such a situation.
This is the stuff of how guerrilla wars come and states break down. Wake up, Jamaica. Don't court foolishness and problems. Wake up. People have died as a result. And you expect me to stand there as Prime Minister and fund activities that could lead to the breakdown of our state? Never.
The Jamaican authorities and the leadership in Akongpong were also at odds this week over the annual Maroon Festival. The event was held on January 6, despite declarations from agents of the Jamaican state that the event was not approved. We spoke with Chief Curry at the event, and he indicated that it appeared the Jamaican government had severed communications with his leadership.
For me, in trying to be the diplomat, I've tried on several occasions. I've said this on many platforms. I continue to say it. I keep feel that, you know, the government has not want to engage directly with myself.
Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.